Hey guys, Kimera V here, and I'm going to show you the fastest way you can get this stutter house vocal effect without touching a single LFO tool. It sounds like this. Or you can customize to sound like this. The first time I wanted to create this sound, I was looking on YouTube to see how people are doing it, and all I was actually finding was how to do this with a synth and like Serum, using LFOs and all that. But for vocals, it's way easier than that. So before I get into it, don't forget to subscribe while you're here and check the links below to grab my free sample pack. So let's go. For this, I'm gonna use Sound Toys Tremolator, but you can use pretty much any tremolo effect. This is the raw audio. It's just... This works really great on sustained vocals like that. If you happen to be using Tremolator, I will give you a hint. I really love their complex rhythms, cool 2 as a starting point. And I'm just going to adjust some of these parameters. I like to change the shape. Let's see, which one did I like? I think it's this one. This is my favorite. Okay, so I'll change the shape. I might adjust the feel. Kind of like a little bit of a drag there. Groove, I wanted to swing a little baby bit. Yeah, that's a vibe. And maybe give it a tiny bit of an accent. Just a little bit. Okay, we're sounding pretty close already, but I really love the way it sounds when it like comes in super fast and then slows down, and then right when we hit the next measure, we're like locked in the groove. So the way we're gonna do that, we're gonna automate the tempo. In order to be allowed to do that, you have to turn it off of MIDI mode, by the way. So I just have it going to 120 beats per minute. So I'm gonna go into my automation and Pro Tools. It's just down right here. Let's say we want it to land at 120 right here. So I'll put a little point there, and then I will start it maybe like 240 beats per minute and see what that sounds like. That's pretty cool. Maybe we want this phrase a little longer. Let me just double it. Something like that. Let's see what else we can get out of this. Yeah, definitely I don't want that. But maybe I don't want it to land so fast, or maybe I want it to even dip below 120. Let's just go dramatic and see what that feels like. All right, that's a little funky, but you know what the possibilities are. Maybe we keep the rate kind of high and really drag out when we land on our 1. I love that. Yeah. How easy is this? This is so great. But there's more. I want you to hear what more plugins sound like when I run vocals through them. So click here and I'll see you in the next video.